Welcome to my day 5 warm-up as I try to prepare myself for the next bulking phase, which is going to be a little bit more challenging. And I am trying to do everything without supplements just to try and see how I can continue this. And the other thing, I'm having thoughts of my old gym, which I think is one of the best gyms in the world. It is a family-run gym in Beijing, and the equipment are different. I try to mix gyms sometimes because one gym has got certain different machines, the other one has got different gym machines. You are always just trying, I am always trying to mix and match so that I can work out every part of my body differently. Although the other gym is not like I normally subscribe for like 1 week a month, then go back, and every now and then. It is quite good for bulking, and the environment is different than these commercial gyms. I am sure if you have been to different gyms, the commercial gyms and the pro bodybuilding gyms, you would have noticed the workouts are different, the people are different, the atmosphere is different. So while I prepare, if you like my videos, or you are new to my channel, or you are old to my channel, please drop a comment below, and see you in the next video.